beautiful people, I'm Jess and this is Jess Budgets. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing a small cash stuffing. If that's something that you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. Alright, so in today's video, we're going to do a quick little budget with me within my binder just because, I'll be honest, I forgot to charge my iPad and it's completely dead, so I figured I'll just use my weekly spread pages to do that. I am still trying to find the best way to track my expenses. This is my February spread. This kind of weekly breakdown is helpful just to know how much you're spending each week and what categories. But I have $245 is the total that we are doing. We're putting $100 into groceries, $40 into gas, $5 into miscellaneous. That gives me $145. So that means I have $100 remaining to go into my sinking funds. So I'm putting $10 into gifts, $3 into Kempa. Kempa is my dog. I'm putting $12 into back to school. I'm putting $20 into after school camp, which is really camp. I'm putting $5 into birthdays. I'm putting $20 into my car maintenance, car insurance, you know, ahead account. I'm putting $20 towards my car, $20 towards new car, and then $10 towards Christmas. So that would give me a total of $245. I'm gonna bring out the money. I have $245, and let's count it, make sure we're right. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 200. 210, 220, 230, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245. So here we are, and I think that I'm just going to, I don't think I'm going to take out the tray. I think I'm just going to set my money here. I don't feel as though I have that much today to need a tray. Hopefully you can still see that. I'm gonna bring out my binder. I am going to kind of unstuff whatever's here now and put that towards my savings challenges. If I'm being honest, this month I haven't done a great job at these savings challenges. My January savings challenge did have the buffer of having the $5 challenge money, so it was more than I should expect on a monthly basis, but this month was rough. I've spent a lot. So gas, empty, of course. I can't remember the last time I had rollover for gas. I have groceries. I have some money. I have $30 left, so I am going to put that to the side so I can put that into my savings challenges. Or I don't know. I think that I'm going to roll over 20 of it to, okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put 10 towards my savings challenges, but 20 I'm going to roll over into my BJ's fund. So we should have 87 with the $20. So we should have 87 with the $20. So I have 50, 70, 85, 6, 7. So 87. So there, we did groceries, empty. Food, of course, empty. Spending's definitely empty. Household, we have 5, 10, 15, 20. I think I said $20 for household, so we're gonna leave it at that. Then for miscellaneous, we have 15. It's not over 20, so we're gonna leave it. And then my cap for family, I believe, was 50, and I have 20, 25, 30. So we're gonna keep that. And then BJ's, we're just rolling over. So, all right, $10 are going into my savings challenges. My savings challenge box, if I can open it. So, yeah, there we have it. We emptied out our binders, and now it's time to stuff. First up is gas, and gas we are doing $40. I believe we're just gonna do 20, so I have 20 and 40, so 20, 40. Next up is groceries. We said we were doing $100, so I'm gonna do the 50 for groceries. So 50, 70, 90, 100. Next up is food. We are not stuffing food this week. Spending, we're not stuffing spending this week. Household, we're not stuffing this week. Miscellaneous, we currently have 5, 10, 15, and we're putting in 5. So I'm gonna do 5 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 in miscellaneous. Let's just put the ones in the front. And then family isn't getting stuff. And that's it for this binder. So we're moving on to my Luna binder, which kind of has my shorter term sinking funds. I've been keeping this paper just so the marker won't transfer over. Investing isn't getting anything. Clothes isn't getting anything. Gifts is getting $10. I'm gonna grab that. Wait. So the gifts is getting $10. So gift currently has 15 only. So I am grabbing that 10. And now we have 10, 25. So $25 in gifts. And I am just going to tally up my totals off cameras just to see if that speeds up my video time. Next up we have Kempa, and Kempa is getting $3. So I'm gonna see, well, I only have one. So Kempa currently has 5, 10, 15, 16, and we are adding $3, so 16, 17, 18, 19, so $19. $19 for Kempa, and then we have a back to school. Back to school is getting $12, but it currently has 20, 30, 40, 45, 46. So there's 46, and we are adding $12. So we're gonna do a 10 and then 2 ones. So now we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. So $58 in back to school. And I think I wanted a goal of maybe $200 for back to school. Back to school, I mentioned, is a summer camp. So with summer camp, with summer getting closer, I wanted to start putting money into this. So I have so I currently have 100, 100, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 123, and I am putting in $20. So now we have 100, 120, 140, 141, 142, 143. So 143. And then we have birthdays. Birthdays, we are adding $5. So we have 50 in birthdays. And next up we have car. And for car, we are adding in $20. We currently have 50, and that is exactly how much we have left, and I still don't believe it. So I had $50 left in my car budget only, and my car maintenance only. So this $50, I am adding $20 that we said we were stuffing, so now I have $70. So I'm just gonna, since I'm here, I'm gonna add, so now I have $70 and 50, 60, 70. This, I can turn it. And that is it for this envelope. We are moving into our last binder with the last itty bitty of money that we have left. And this is my purple, more long-term binder that I have. Vacation isn't getting stuff. This is my, this is the $500 slip that came out of car maintenance. So I have vacation isn't getting stuff. Christmas is getting money. Christmas is getting $10, but Christmas currently has $20, $40, $5. It is getting $10, so 10. So that means that I have currently 20, 40, 50, 55. 55 towards Christmas. Towards Christmas. Then new car. New car is getting the last of the money, which is this 20, but it currently has 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 320, 321, 322. So it has 322, and we are adding in $20. Then it has 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 320, 340, 341, 342. Is it. That is all the money that we had. That sums up my cash stuffing. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. If this is your first time here, I would love for you to consider becoming a subscriber and joining me on my debt-free journey. And thank you for all 201 subscribers that I currently have. I truly do appreciate you all subscribing to my video and coming back and watching. I still can't believe it. I really started my channel so I could be held accountable, so I can stick to budgeting and really make a change and save. And this community has been so welcoming and just overall immense motivation. From my experience so far, everyone has been so motivating and so inspiring and just positive and wanting the best for everyone, and I'm here for that. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, suggestions, or just want to chat, leave it down below in the comment box. I love to get to know you all. Hopefully these videos inspire you to start your debt-free journey or continue and feel motivated to continue it. Hopefully you all have a wonderful rest of your week wherever you're at in the week, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.